Okay. Good Monday morning, I think. Not really, it's Friday, but hey. All right, I told you to be on page 100, but I would like you to look back at some definitions on page 98 and 99 first. The first one we're going to look at is proportional relationship. It's on 98 and it's in yellow. Two quantities are in a proportional relationship if all the ratios that relate to the quantities are equivalent. That means they all, whether there be 3, 4, 5, if there's 10, they all 10 have to be equivalent. All right, now look at the 99. A proportion is an equation that represents an equal ratios. So they have to be equal. Look, you want to see my puppy? Ro, look up here. She thinks I'm talking to her. She's trying to learn your math, see? Go lay down now. See, I treat her just like you guys. Now, see, Ro, it's just you. Okay. Key concepts. Two quantities, x and y, have a proportional relationship if all the ratios y over x for related pairs of x and y are equivalent. All right, now here's where the main problem is going to be on this for you guys. When you do an ordered pair, when you're plotting on a graph, you have x comma y. Okay, that's what we're used to. That's exactly what we're talking about now. X comes first, then y. But when you find the proportionality, you put y on top. So it's y divided by x. Because we all know a fraction bar is division. Right, Angie? Okay. All right, so number 4. We're going to use the table below. Do x and y have a proportional relationship? Explain your answer. Your explaining your answer is going to show me, you're going to show me the work. That's what I want. So, remember, you put y on top. So your first ratio is going to be 5 over 2. All right? Then your next one is 7.5 over 3. Your third one is 12.5 over 5. Your last one is 18 over 8. Now, if you have a problem or you're afraid you're going to forget it's y over x, you need to do what I do. I write, look, y over x. See? And then you put 5 over 2, 7.5 over 3, 12.5 over 5, and 18 over 5. See? Look what I did. See? Right there. You write that just like that, okay? Now, to figure out if they are all equal, I am going to be nice and let you use a calculator. Although I hope on 5 over 2, you know that 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So that's your answer for the first one. All right, now you have to divide out the next. You have to take 7.5 and divide it by 3. If you do that, I'm hoping you got 2.5. Okay? On the next one, punch in 12.5 divided by 5. Remember, you always divide the numerator divided by the denominator. All right, you get 2.5. So far we have 3 are all proportional. So we're all good. So far we have a proportional relationship. All right, on your last one, 18 divided by 5. All right, if you punch that into your calculator, you will realize that is not correct. Now you have 2.25. So they are not proportional. Okay? There's no relationship because you have 2 or 3. See? You have 3. Let me see. Hope I'm not making you sick. You have 3 that are 2.5 and then the one's 2.25. And then so you need to write no. Now, can anybody guess how many points?